Alright, we're headed to Todd's lift. We all know what happened last time.
It's a good morning in Eldora, Colorado, November 25th. Primo early season conditions with a foot of snow. Primo early season conditions with a foot of snow. Yeah, we are knee deep here. Here we go. Yeah! Woo! Oh yeah! Woo! Woo! You all right?
What the hell you guys doing back here?
What, dude? This run's not open?
No, this run is closed. How the hell did you get back here?
Dude, we were just following the herd. Look at all the tracks.
No. Sir, the guests are getting in through Jolly Jug.
Yeah, man, Jolly Jug. That's how we got in here.
What? We're pulling passes. You guys better get the hell out of here right now.
Oh, wow. Yikes. Okay, we're out of here.
Primo early season conditions with a foot of snow. Primo early season conditions with a foot of snow. Primo early season conditions with a foot of snow. Primo early season conditions with a foot of snow. snow. Primo early season conditions with a foot of snow.